Alright, May 28th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here along with the ATSF Rail Fan with another video lined up for you as we're coming to you yet again from Ladysmith. Another northbound on the way that met Q196 at Sheldon that was left by the 3317. Going to have a G-Vel to lead it on the northbound. Let's see what this one is as we will lean back and get him. Let's go. Gate drop! DC variant this time is the 2331. Off rolls away the M343 91 as it will head up to Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, after starting at Kirk Yard in Gary, Indiana. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.